Jai Gurudev, Day 6. According to Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, it is beyond human competence to describe the glory of Gayatri. Nothing is more important in the world than to attain spiritual wisdom, which is inspired by Gayatri sadhana. Gayatri is the primordial mantra. Its sadhana destroys sins and promotes virtues. Apart from views expressed by ancient rishis and saints, eminent persons, philosophers, spiritual masters of the present and recent past have unequivocally praised the preeminence of glory of Gayatri Mantra. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans stated, I tell people that it is not necessary to be engaged in complicated sadhanas, perform simple Gayatri sadhana and see results. Great siddhis are attained by Gayatri sadhana. This mantra is short, no doubt, but it is extremely powerful. Swami Dayananda, the founder of Arya Samaj, was a staunch worshipper of Gayatri. He told the rulers of Gwalior that Gayatri Purushcharan is better than weekly discourses of Bhagavad Puran. Swamiji has taught several persons like Sachidanand, Hira Lal Raval, etc. at Jaipur the method of doing jap. In Multan, Swamiji advocated the supremacy of this mantra and said that the origin of all the Vedas is Gayatri Mantra. He said that all the rishis and seers used to perform jap of this mantra in the ancient times. Swamiji got several Gayatri Anushtans performed at several places. Swami Ram Tirath said that the most important task is to attain Ram, God. The purpose of Gayatri is to remove intellect cravings for sensuous pleasures and inculcate in the deep interest for God. He alone can attain God whose intellect is pure and stable. There should be such purity in the intellect that may be considered Ram greater than Kam. Vivekanand said that the only thing should be begged from a king which befits his dignity. Spiritual wisdom alone is the most suitable gift which could be asked from God. God grants spiritual wisdom which leads to advancement on the right path and results in our happiness. One who is advancing towards the truth always remains happy. Gayatri Mantra is instinct with spiritual wisdom and therefore it has been acclaimed the greatest of all the mantras. According to Madan Mohan Malviya, Gayatri is the most precious gem which has been given to us by the rishis. It purifies the intellect and enlightens the soul with the light of God. Countless souls have been liberated from worldly bondage by its sadhana. Gayatri has the power to inculcate feelings of devotion to God and bestows worldly abundance. Gayatri sadhana is essential for Brahmins. A person who does not perform Gayatri jap is guilty of neglecting his primary duties. Maharishi Raman preached that all masteries, the master of a mantra, is extremely powerful. Marvelous results are achieved by the power of mantra. Gayatri is such a mantra which bestows both material as well as spiritual benefits. Professor Srinivasan, a senior member of the Theosophical Society, has stated that Gayatri has been acclaimed as the most powerful mantras in Hindu religion. Its significance is extremely mysterious and its sadhanas give miracle results. It has different effects on devotees of different mental dispositions. According to Lokmanya Tilak, the political freedom alone will not be liberate Indian people from the bonds of slavery. For this, the inner soul should be enlightened so it may be possible to discriminate right from the wrong and people may be inspired to leave the wrong path and pursue the right one. Gayatri Mantra incorporates this prayer. The great Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore says the mantra which can awaken India is so simple that it can be uttered in a single breath. It is the Gayatri Mantra. There is absolutely no scope for any dispute or argumentation in regard to the supremacy of the mantra. According to Mahatma Gandhi, constant jap of Gayatri Mantra is used for curing physical ailments and for the upliftment of the soul. Gayatri jap performed with a calm, unperturbed mind has the power of averting crisis in the hour of distress. Sri Aurobindo too has advocated Gayatri jap. According to him, Gayatri has extraordinary potency to accomplish great and noble sins. According to him, Gayatri, Radhakrishnan says, if we ponder over the universal prayer, Gayatri, we will realize what superb benefit it provides. Gayatri is a prayer for rejuvenating the source of our life. Thus, besides the views expressed by ancient rishis, seers, etc., there is a vast collection of opinions of several noted and eminent intellectuals of the present century, on the basis of which it can be concluded that Gayatri Sadhana is not a blind faith or blind tradition, but is well tried and tested, sunlit path of spiritual growth. Whosoever takes refuge in the divine Shakti has swiftly and uninterruptedly advanced towards the pilgrimage of self-discovery. Gayatri Sadhana doesn't go in vain. Now we'll come to Gayatri Sadhana as eulogized in ancient scriptures. In the first part of Gayatri Mahavigyan Hindi, some events were narrated which helped the sadhaks in their mundane spiritual growth. Impending catastrophes were averted. Adverse circumstances were transformed into favorable ones. Dangers which hovered like dark clouds disappeared. Whosoever tried to verify the veracity of those narrations found them to be entirely true. A period of about 30 years has passed since those miraculous events occurred. Since then, the number of such unusual events has gone up to lakhs. Narration of even a fraction of these miraculous happenings will constitute a voluminous book. It has therefore been considered prudent not to publish them because it will raise shallow curiosities. Such an undertaking will be a waste of time and energy which can be better utilized for tasks that really matter. Therefore, not a single event of worldly achievements has been narrated in this book, and readers are advised to consider this book alone as their guide and get engaged in sadhana with faith and devotion. Some extracts from the ancient scriptures are, however, being given here about advantages and importance of Gayatri Sadhana. Advantages of Gayatri Jap. One can get a glimpse of advantages which can accrue as a result of Gayatri Jap from the following spiritual quotation. It has specifically been enjoined to be essential for Brahmins whose main preoccupation is search and cultivation of spiritual wisdom. A person gets such wisdom on the following path of indicated by Gayatri Jap. Gayatri Jap should be performed daily as it is an essence of all Vedas and sacred Upanishads. Sadhana of Gayatri Mantra is the essence of all Vedas. Even gods like Brahman meditate on and perform Jap of Gayatri at the time of twilight. A Brahman who has mastered Gayatri alone attains salvation. One who steadfastly performs Gayatri Jap daily with wakefulness for 3 years realizes Brahma and, like air, acquires the power of free and unhindered movement. Manu himself has stated that although a Dvij may or may not perform worship of any other deity, he will attain absolute salvation by performing Gayatri Jap. A person who exercises self-restraint, controls his senses and performs Gayatri Jap along with the Onkar is known as a Shrutriya. Merely by offering water to the sun and performing Jap of 3000 Gayatri Mantra at the time of twilight, a person becomes a beloved of God. Jap of Gayatri Mantra 10,000 times destroys all miseries and sins and purifies a person. One who has mastered Gayatri and properly chants it is revered in this world and in heaven and ultimately attains Brahmalok, salvation. Persons aspiring to get salvation get salvations. Those aspiring to get wealth. Persons fighting in battle get victory, and those suffering from disease get sound health by Gayatri Sadhana. Jap of Gayatri performed in a manner destroys sins and fulfills all desire. It is, however, certain that the ultimate goal of self-realization is attained if it is meditated upon systematically. Ancient scriptures have severely condemned persons who do not know Gayatri or, knowing it, fail to worship it. Persons who are irregular in sadhana on account of laziness or want of faith have been advised to be careful and take up this excellent sadhana. Daily worship of Gayatri has been described in all Vedas. Brahman devoid of Gayatri is doomed in all respects. A man may know all four Vedas very well, but all his labor goes waste if he does not realize the preeminence of Gayatri mantra. A person who worships a mantra other than the Gayatri cannot get success even if he takes millions of births. A Brahmin who gives up Gayatri Jap goes to hell although he may worship Vishnu or Shiv. One who knows Gayatri and performs Gayatri Jap is Brahmin, otherwise he is like a Shudra although he may be well versed in Vedas. Importance of Gayatri described in scriptures. The Vedas, Shastras, Puranas proclaim the importance of Gayatri. In Atharva Veda, the following prayer has been offered to Gayatri, in which it has been described as one which gives longevity, energy, pran shakti, domestic animals, fame, wealth, and spiritual splendor. Almighty God in the form of Vedas has stated in Atharva Veda, "May Ved Mata Gayatri, to whom I offer prayer, purify Brahmins and grant them longevity, spiritual vital energy, animals, fame, wealth, and splendor." Just as honey, ghee, and water or milk are the essence of flowers, milk and taste, respectively, so also Gayatri is the essence of all Vedas. Rishis and seers say that there is no other mantra like Gayatri mantra in all the four Vedas. Ved, Yag, Dan, Tap are not equivalent even to the fraction of Gayatri mantra. Gayatri is the mother of Vedas. God Prajapati Brahman created three-step Gayatri as the essence of three Vedas. In olden days, Brahma weighed Gayatri against Vedas and found that Gayatri weighed heavier than all the four Vedas put together. Gayatri mantra with pranav and three Vyaharatis should be uttered and meditated upon because there is no mantra as efficacious in destroying sins as Gayatri mantra. There is no great charity than giving food and water to the needy, no great austerity than non-violence, no great jap than Gayatri mantra, no yagya greater than the chanting of Vyaharatis. Gayatri holds the hand of a person falling in the ocean of hell and rescues him. A Dvij should therefore perform Gayatri Jap daily with a pure heart. Upanishads are the essence of Vedas, and Gayatri along with its three Vyaharatis is the essence of Upanishad. Gayatri is the mother of Vedas. It is a destroyer of sins. There is no other mantra more sacred and purifying than Gayatri mantra. Just as fire is the greatest among all the Vedic deities, Brahman is the best among men, and spring is best of all seasons, Gayatri is the best of all the Vedic mantras. There is no Tirth like Ganga, no god like Keshav, so also there is no Jap beneficial as Gayatri Jap. Of all the Suktas of Rik, Yaju, Sam and divine Om, Jap of Gayatri mantra is the best. Ek Akshar, which means Om, is Parabrahm. Pranayam is a great tap. However, nothing is more purifying than Gayatri mantra. O Yudhishthir, all persons belonging to Chandravansh, Suryavansh, Raghuvansh and Kuruvansh used to perform Gayatri Jap daily after proper ablution. It is no exaggeration to state that mastery in Gayatri sadhana is Kamdhenu. Gayatri is the sum and substance of all Vedas. Gayatri is Brahma. Gayatri is Almighty God. Ganga is known as such because it incorporates all the Tirthas. It is a form of Brahma Gayatri. Gita contains all the Shastras. Gita is nothing but a form of Gayatri. Gaya, Tirth and Golok are forms of Gayatri. When a man is pure or impure, is sitting or walking, is whatever condition a wise man may be, he should perform Gayatri Jap. A man gets rid of all his sins by this Jap. By contemplating on Gayatri, sins are destroyed, heaven is attained, and a man accomplishes all the four basic pursuits of Dharma, Arth, Kam, and Moksha. Those who worship mantras Other than Gayatri are like fools who abandon prepared food and wander about begging food. Nothing is greater than Gayatri in this as well as other worlds for success in performance and daily duties, fulfillments of desires and cultivation of tap. One who understands Gayatri, which is also known as Savitri, attains heaven. Therefore, one should, after taking bath, perform Gayatri Jap in a calm, collected mind since it destroys all sins.